I need some energy. Let's grab a caffeinated drink and then test out the Briefcase tile saw. Oh man. No caffeine. Let's go restock this fridge. So real quick before we get going with this video, this mini fridge is awesome, made by New Air. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you have a long day, you need something to wind you down, grab a cold drink. If you need a little bit of energy to pump you up, grab a cold drink. You can have this in your garage, your man cave, your office, your shop, your house. Highly recommended, awesome fridge. Let's show you it really quick and then get on and test this Briefcase tile saw. Here we go. Cold drinks, glass door, black, LED light, holds 126 cans, and a lock if you need it. Again, need a little caffeine so we can get going with this video. That'll work. Amazing little fridge by New Air. Check it out. Let's open her up, install the blade and guard, and test out this small, compact tile saw. Plug. We've got our guard here. We have our blade, 4.5 inch diamond blade. Stone, ceramic, and porcelain. This should cut glass as well. We'll test that out today. Some hardware for the guard, and a fence for diagonal cuts. Let's install the blade. Feet for the bottom of the saw. That's much better. A very nice grip. Well, there you go. Blade, guard. You can adjust this up and down. You've got your fence here for straight cuts, on and off switch. We'll plug it in. It comes with the fence to cut diagonal. It can also miter or bevel, as you can see here. Let's plug it in and cut some tile. Here we go. Now don't fill it up too much. It sprays water like crazy, as you can see here. Let's show you quickly what we're gonna cut and get to cutting some tile. Here we go. We will cut some stacked stone a porcelain plank, a piece of glass with backing, and a ceramic mosaic sheet. A good cut for a little saw. Porcelain plank. Not a bad cut for a porcelain plank. Let's cut some glass. Not a bad cut at all. Now let's cut a ceramic mosaic sheet, and we'll cut it into plastic and cardboard. Not a bad cut. Well, there it is, the Briefcase tile saw by Wen. Really quick, the pros and cons. Pros are, it's very inexpensive, under $70, so you can't go wrong with that price. 2, it cuts decent. It does not chip. 3, it's extremely lightweight, portable. As you can see, quick setup and very, very easy assembly. Now the cons are fairly simple. 1, it's all made of plastic, so who knows how long it's gonna last. The blade appears to be fairly cheap, and it does get a little messy. It sprays water if you overfill the tray. Other than that, it's a great little saw. It surprised me. It's very basic and very simple, very small and very inexpensive. Well, there you go, another tile saw review. As usual, don't forget to comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for future tile saw videos. Thanks for watching.